Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's another unboxing video. So this is Gizga Essentials Gadget Cleaning Kit, which I've ordered in Amazon.in. So first let's unbox it. So yeah guys, I have unboxed it. So this comes with a 6-in-1 cleaning kit things. So I'll take one by one. So yes guys, I have opened and kept all the components on the table. First and foremost, you have this hair blower and a cleaning solution, a brush, cotton swabs and two cloths. This is a soft cloth and this is a microfiber cloth. So the main purpose of this hair blower is to just pump up the hair and get the dust particles outside of from your keyboard or your camera anywhere. And this liquid solution, you can just apply it onto the cloth and wipe up your LCD monitor, screen, computer, camera, anywhere. And the purpose of brush, just wipe up your keyboard dust, the dust which sits on your keyboard, just wipe it up. And the purpose of this cotton swab is to when cleaning the viewfinder, so we can use this cleaning swab to remove the dust particles first and then wipe it up with this cloth and then click a picture. So yes, so this is the purpose of 6-in-1 cleaning kit. Okay, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. So given the link in the description box below, so if you like the product, please go check it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.